All right, so let's talk about zips real quick. You're gonna find these in a lot of our kits. So if you don't know what these are, it's basically an answer to sutures. Now, they're not gonna cover huge major wounds, but if you do have a minor laceration, this can save you $500 ER trip. They're really easy to use. I'm a huge fan of these things. We actually had a guy write into us. He was out chopping wood. He lives way out in the boonies. He swung the axe, missed, hit himself in the ankle, creating a 6-inch huge gash in his ankle. Major bleed, our arteries involved, a lot of blood. Hollered at his wife, grabbed my MyMedic first aid kit. No, seriously. So he grabbed the quick clot out of there, used that, and then used his zips to go ahead and pull the sides of those wounds together, much like sutures, and went ahead and went to the ER, and he was basically like the hero of the ER. The whole staff was like, oh my gosh, this is amazing treatment, this is a wonderful first aid. So he got a lot of kudos there. So as amazing as that story is, and it truly is an amazing story, these were created to be more useful in a minor laceration situation. Save you a trip to the ER. It's a wonderful product for that. Make sure to check them out.